Good morning, class. Today I will continue line wise explanation of chapter 9. Madam rides the bus. But the old woman went on with her drivel. Drivel means silly nonsense. The old woman who got inside of the bus, she was very ugly lady, and she started talking about her silly nonsense. Drivel means silly nonsense. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? That old lady asked a question to Valli that is it proper to travel all alone, so young girl like her? Do you know exactly where you are going in town? And she asked another question to Valli, ki, does she know where she was going in the town? What is the street? What is the house number? She started asking many questions from Valli. Valli thought that the old lady was talking nonsense. You needn't bother about me. Bother means trouble. Valli said directly to the old lady that there is no need to bother about her. I can take care of myself. She replied that she could take care of herself. There is no need to bother to her about Valli. Turning her face towards the window and starting out. Valli did not want to talk to elderly woman, so she turned her face towards the window and she was busy in watching the beautiful scenery through the window. Now the third part. Her first journey was careful, painstaking, elaborate plans she had to make for it. Now Valli started thinking how she was able to plan her bus journey. She remembered that her bus journey was not easy. It was very painstaking. Painstaking means very painful. And she had made very excellent plans. Elaborate means excellent plans. Then she was able to start this secret bus journey. She had thriftily saved whatever stray coins. Stray coins means whatever coins she got for pocket money. She used to save those coins very thriftily, very miserly. Then she was able to collect 60 paise, resisting every temptation to buy peppermint, toys, balloons. And she was remembering that she controlled, resisting means controlled her greed, temptation means greed, to buy peppermints, to buy toys, to buy balloons. Then she was able to collect 60 paise for her bus journey, like that. And finally she had saved a total of 60 paise. Now she was remembering how she had planned for the secret bus journey and how did she save money for her bus journey. How difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair, but she had resolutely stifled a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round. When in the village there was a fair means mela, then Valli got some money to enjoy the merry-go-round. It is a kind of swing. But she suppressed her desire and she did not enjoy that merry-go-round. Why? Only to save money for her secret bus journey. Even though she had the money, she could easily enjoy the merry-go-round, but she suppressed her desire so that she could collect her money for her secret bus journey. After she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. Another problem was she did not want to disclose anyone about her secret bus journey. So, this solution about the time, and it was very great difficult for her to start her bus journey without telling about her parents, without telling about the bus journey to her parents. But she managed this without too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap. Nap means sleep. Yeah, doze in the afternoon from about 1 to 4. From 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock, her mother used to take rest at home, Then Valli used to came out of the house, stood on her door, and used to watch the activities which happened in the street. She decided that within that time she will complete her secret bus journey, and her mother will not be able to know about it. Valli always used these hours for her excursion. Excursion means journey. As she stood, excursion means here coming out of the house. Sometimes it gives the meaning of journey also. As she stood looking from doorway of her house, when her mother used to take uh, sleep, she used to take rest in the afternoon from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. This time Valli used to utilize standing on the doorway and watching the activities which were happening in the street. Sometimes even ventured out into the village. Today, these same hours could be used for her first excursion outside the village. And Valli sometimes came out of the house. She used to walk in the village. And today, when she had started her bus journey, secret bus journey, she had utilized only that time for her excursion, for her journey. The bus rolled on, now cutting across a bare landscape. Landscape means beautiful sight. Now the bus was crossing, um crossing the beautiful sight. Now rushing through a tiny hamlet. Hamlet means small village, or past an odd wayside shop. Now the bus was passing through a village, and on the wayside there were different odd, strange shops. Sometimes the bus seemed on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them, or pedestrian crossing the road. If you have traveled by bus, you can feel that if you are sitting in the bus, you feel that another vehicle that is coming just opposite of the your vehicle, it appears that your vehicle had gobbled up that one, because that really what happened, really that opposite side vehicle passed away, but it appeared to the passenger or traveler that his vehicle had gobbled up that one. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all obstacles, obstacles mean hindrance, safely behind. All the hindrance which were coming, they passed out, and Valli was enjoying her bus journey very smoothly. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there, helpless, for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the other direction. The trees which were on the both side of the road, it appears to Valli that they are running, but really they were not running. The bus of the Valli was running, it appears to her. Suddenly Valli clapped her hands with glee. Glee means happiness. Suddenly Valli saw a beautiful sight of young cow, so she started clapping her hands with happiness. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in middle of the road, right in front of the bus. A young cow suddenly came in front of the bus, raising her tail high up into the air, and she was jumping in the middle of the road in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl. The bus driver slowed the speed of the bus. Now the bus was moving very slowly, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. But the more he honked, the more frightened animal became, and faster it galloped. Galloped means jumped, running by jumping, always right in the front of the bus. The more bus driver blew the horn, the more that young cow became frightened and was jumping and running in front of the bus. The young cow was not leaving the path of the bus. Somehow this was very funny to Valli. It appears to Valli very funny, very strange. She laughed and laughed until there was There were tears in her eyes. Now Valli broke into laughter, and she laughed so loudly that tears started coming from her eyes. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save some for tomorrow. Now bus conductor again interrupted in the laughing of Valli and said that now stop laughing and save it for tomorrow. At last the cow